Having trouble with indoor air quality? Here are signs your ductwork needs cleaning. Regular duct maintenance is crucial for keeping clean air circulating in your home. We put together some expert tips so you know when to call the pros. The first thing to look out for is any strange noises coming from the vents, like loud humming or popping sounds. This is usually due to a buildup of dust and debris, which will restrict airflow and cause these abnormal noises. Another sign that you may need to get your ducts looked at is if you notice an increase in dirt or dust in your home despite regular cleaning efforts. Finally, persistent bad smells can indicate that you should look closely at what's happening inside those ducts. Again, odors are due to too much dirt and debris blocking air passages and creating areas where mold can start to grow. Call us today at 914-855-1888 for a professional duct cleaning and sanitizing service from our experienced team at Innovative Air. Our Pearl certification ensures you get the highest quality work. So don't wait, call us today.